Beam is the cryptocurrency that is taking everyone by storm right now. We're seeing higher highs get continually broken here. You can see from market structure from this coin, it's looking insanely good. My name is cryptochesterg. I'm here to give you an update on Beam. We're going to be looking from a technical analysis standpoint. We're also going to be looking for price targets for potential bull runs here, for how much percent we could be making just from buying Beam at these levels. Really, really low market cap as well. And we're also going to be looking at competitors and a little bit on the utility of what Beam is and what we can sort of expect from this coin. Okay, so currently today, Beam is up around 13%. Really, really doing well in terms of market structure, guys. It's absolutely soaring. In terms of higher highs, we keep breaking these higher highs. Okay, we keep breaking them. We keep going up. It's looking really, really, really bullish. Okay, we've just hit a previous higher high of around 1 cent. We're just coming up to that level again. We saw a minor pullback there, and it's looking really, really bullish. Okay, in terms of like trend lines, okay, in terms of trend lines, this is definitely something I would be drawing in here because you can see clear resistance from these zones previously. So what does that tell us from where we are now? You can see probably going to get some sort of resistance here if we don't explode and have a breakout. Okay, so resistance point, just to show you guys again, resistance, 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 resistance again. Okay, so this area is a point to watch there if you are holding Beam. If you're looking for an entry point to buy this asset in terms of market structure here, because obviously we need to weigh up how market structure is respected and what levels that we need to be looking at for reversals here. So you can see the most recent higher low that we have here. Let me zoom in on that for you guys. It's currently sat down at around 1 cent 1. Okay, currently trading at around 1 cent 4. So in terms for us to have a pullback, it's going to be worth probably 20%, guys. It's going to be worth around 20%. Yeah, around 20% to the most recent higher low. This is the market structure point we need to respect. So I'm not bearish at all until we lose this zone. And even if we lose this zone, you can see from this trend line that we've got coming up here, guys, we've got a massive level of support. Okay, massive level of support. And just looking on this level of support, I know I'm in the way for that drawing. Just looking on this level of support here, you can see the momentum is really, really quite strong here. Now let's flash to the next point where we did get that support, and that's just here. You can see momentum picked up. It actually increased, okay? So what does this tell us, guys? This tells us that a lot more people are coming into this asset. It's getting a lot more eyes from a marketing perspective. And if we do lose this area in terms of market structure, what would I expect from a test from this trend line? Okay, what would I expect? I would expect more momentum, more buying pressure, because we've seen a lot of buying pressure, we've seen a lot of momentum actually coming through here, and if we do see a sell-off, there'll be a lot of people taking profit, but then this level of support comes in, and this basically is a buying opportunity for everyone that's currently discovering the project now. No one's going to be buying it at this high, okay? No one's going to be buying it this high. They're waiting for this pullback, and then this is the area that we're going to absolutely explode, okay? In terms of percentages from that point, I'm probably talking 20, 30, 40% up to the next high. Okay, really, really strong market structure for Beam. Looking very, very bullish here right now on the shorter term time frame. So in terms of a next buy point for Beam for myself, it's going to be around 1 cent 1.6. Okay, looking really, really bullish in terms of market structure. Let's look at price predictions. Let's look how high this can go. Let's look at competitors for the next potential bull run. Okay, so let's look at Beam right now on CMC. You can see currently $643 million market cap, which is low. Okay, the ones that we usually look at, guys, they're currently up in the billions. Okay, so $643 million is very cheap indeed. Okay, it's very, very cheap indeed. But the question you're asking yourself is, how high can this go? How high can this bad boy go? Let's look at a competitor, Axie Infinity. From the previous bull run, okay? From the previous bull run, we saw this coin absolutely soar, okay? It was ridiculous. It saw a market cap of around 9 billion there. Did we hit 10? No, 9.78 billion. Absolutely unbelievable stuff for like a GameFi coin. And just going to go into the utility of Beam for a second. You can see, guys, they offer quite a few things. And one of the main things that I have seen on Beam, and please educate me in the comments, I didn't really have that much time to look into it, guys, because obviously they offer quite a lot of stuff, was this screaming out at me, okay? Discover, buy, and sell gaming NFTs. So they're really into the GameFi space. They're going to be hosting a lot of this throughout the next big bull run. And this basically means, I'm not sure if you guys know how much revenue OpenSea was doing just from hosting NFTs. They were doing like $400 million profit a year in terms of collecting fees, right? So if we're looking at this in terms of a coin, it's just the possibilities are endless, right? And bringing it back to the competitor, Axie Infinity, who obviously is a GameFi coin, this did insane in the last bull run. Absolutely insane, 9.8 billion. So if we're going to be referencing that point on the Beam chart, it's game over, okay? It's absolutely game over, okay? So let's look at that. So it's a $600 million market cap right now. If we're going to be banging that up to, say, $6 billion market cap, that's going to be a 10x, guys, okay? So if we're doing a 10x, that's going to be 1,000% on what the price is now. So let's get a price prediction for that, and let's see how high that will actually be. So that's going to be 1,000%. So just bear with me while I draw this on the chart. And just looking at it, it's looking very much like it's going to get to 10 cents here. And you can see straight away 1,000%. Damn it, I moved it. You can see just 1,000% coming through at this level, around 15 cents here for this coin. Very, very, very feasible, guys. And remember, this is just a 10x. This is just a 10x. If we're doing Axie Infinity prices, all-time high from the previous bull run, then it's going to be a lot more than that, okay? It's going to be a lot more than that. We're probably looking at maybe a 15x, if my maths is correct. Maybe a 15x there. So 15x for the price would put us at around 1,500% or 1,500%, around 23 cents there. And remember, guys, that's just previous all-time highs from the bull run. This is not how high it could go in the next bull run, okay? Because obviously we always, most likely, break all-time highs in every single bull run, right? So the chance of this going up to 30 cents, 40 cents, it's very, 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 very likely, okay? So keep your eyes on this. Keep your eyes peeled, guys, because this is a very, very good coin that I don't want anyone to be missing out on here. Obviously not financial advice. Do your own research, but there's a lot of room in the tank. Market structure looks really good. We've even broken the open for the coin. It's looking insanely bullish right now. Need I say any more, guys? Need I say any more? Get yourself looking at Beam and see how this could be benefiting you in the future. But yeah, today it's up around, well, we're up around 13.7%. So yeah, ideally I would be waiting for a nice little pullback here. Again, just to summarize, pullback to 1 cent and 117. But yeah, that's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for tuning in. I will be doing updates on this on my X account, so make sure you go to the link in the description and you follow me on X, and you'll see my updates on my Bitcoin trades, my altcoin trades, my new hodls, all that really, really good stuff. But yeah, that's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out, and goodbye from me, Cryptochesterg.